Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the countries of the world you are watching us from, our dear viewer. You are promising keeping station Adamazi TV is here again to present to you an epoch-making event, a historical event in Aruchukwu Kingdom known as MGBACHI in IBOM ISII, Aruchukwu Kingdom. Somebody will be asking me curiously what is the significance of MGBACHI to Ikeji Aruchukwu Kingdom. First of all, we know what Ekpe is and its function. Ekpe is a society in Aruchukwu Kingdom mainly for men.
IBOM ISII into ye. Okay, not into ye. Yes, I will not go into ye. Iwe ga go nyera wore nto ye. Okay, won't to ye. So ye baba.
Men are the only participants of Ekpe in Aruchukwu Kingdom, and Ekpe runs in rank like we have in Nigerian military. And what is her function? The function of Ekpe is to implement hard laws like the Supreme Court. They are for implementation of hard laws in Aruchukwu Kingdom. They also fair for the welfare of her members. But the present significance now is that Ekpe activities runs concurrently, and in order not to have an interference or contradiction to Iriji or Ikeji Aruchukwu Kingdom, every activity of Ekpe will be put on hold. That is to say that Ekpe is going on leave. Here in IBOM ISII, we will present to you how it is being done. But the challenge here is question from young men asking each other, Abalara Gekpe, Ebarekpe. Oh yes, Abalara Mekpe.
Oye, yewa mboko. Mboko. Mboko.
Mboko.
Be entertained as you experience this great historical event. I am Totin Meregene Charles, reporting for Adamazi TV.
Yes.
Because in that you do again.
Adamazi INYAMKPE IBOM.
Okay, because you must elementa help.
Elementa MGBACHI IBOM etiti. MGBALA. I na-enweje kwa afọ. Aga na-emeje every year. Opozo awada 2 days opozo awada IBOM agbachi mgbana. I na-emeta.
Mazi ajụjụ ọdọ biko tu ele ihe iwe ike ịgwa ụmụarụ niile all over the world.
Ihe nwere ike ịgwa ụmụarụ niile nọ n'arụ. Ekpe nọba na ọnụma onweghị isi ogo ekpe anọghị antụ ekpe ọbụla na-ebi n'ogo n'arụ. Isi ogo ọbụla gara n'arụ nwe ekpe.
Lleva cucurumpe.